Hello and welcome to this video on cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have gained a lot of attention in recent years as an alternative investment option. But what exactly are cryptocurrencies, and how can you invest in them? In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of cryptocurrency investing, including what you need to know before getting started and the different ways you can invest in cryptocurrencies. Segment 1: What is cryptocurrency? Before we dive into the world of cryptocurrency investing, it's important to understand what exactly a cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use encryption techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, hundreds of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with their own unique features and uses. Segment 2: How to invest in cryptocurrencies. There are a few different ways to invest in cryptocurrencies. The most popular way is through a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance. These exchanges allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using traditional fiat currencies, such as the US dollar. Another way to invest in cryptocurrencies is through a cryptocurrency wallet, which allows you to store and manage your own cryptocurrencies. Segment 3: Risks and rewards of cryptocurrency investing. Like any investment, there are risks and rewards associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest risks is the volatility of the market. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate greatly in a short period of time, which can lead to big losses if you're not careful. Another risk is the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market, which can make it harder to protect your investments. However, there are also many rewards to investing in cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest rewards is the potential for high returns. Some investors have seen their cryptocurrency investments grow exponentially over a short period of time. Additionally, investing in cryptocurrencies can also be a way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially hedge against traditional market fluctuations. Segment 4: Getting started. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, there are a few things you should do before getting started. First, make sure you understand the basics of how the market works and the risks involved. It's also important to do your own research and choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. It's also crucial to be aware of the legal and tax implications of your investments, as it varies from country to country. In some places, there are regulations and laws that govern the use of cryptocurrencies. Conclusion: Cryptocurrency investing can be a high-risk, high-reward investment option. With the right knowledge and a bit of research, it can also be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially see big returns. Just make sure you understand the risks and do your own research before getting started. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on finance.